Why do Asians look so young? The secret is Botox fillers, plastic surgery, sucking up blood from people, and eating crocodile's meat. Disclaimer here, try it at your own risk. If you are not into the above mentioned, here is this easy ginseng recipe that doesn't require you to exchange your soul for it. Ginseng is one of the most desirable herbs for its ability to nourish the body, improve vitality, and calms the mind. I usually buy Ginseng ginseng, which is 5 years matured American ginseng. Have it once a month early in the morning is a very good nourishing potion for glowing skin. Ginseng, however, is not for people that had surgery and for the first 3 months of pregnancy. Here is a very easy, simple recipe. 10 grams of ginseng, which is about 1 packet. 2 bottles of chicken essence, each bottle is about 70 grams. 140 grams of boiled water. Things needed: ceramic bowls, no steel or plastic, slow cooker or a double boiler. Here is the easy step. Put in the ginseng. Put in the chicken essence. And then the boiled water into the slow cooker. Cook it on slow heat for about 6 hours. Drink it early in the morning on an empty stomach, or you can also drink it at night before going to bed. Enjoy your ginseng recipe. For more information and recipe, I leave it in my description box. Please comment, like, share, and also subscribe. See you in all my other videos.